Hello kids, welcome to Zwifto. Now we are going to discuss about this dihybrid class. Okay, so listen to me very carefully kids. Okay, so now we have to know what is this F1 generation, F2 generation, this dihybrid class. It's a very simple one, right? See, cross. Okay, the cross which is going to be involving a two pair of contrasting characters known as dihybrid cross, as we have already discussed, right? So the cross which is going to involve, okay, two pair of contrasting character is known as dihybrid cross. If you see here, the shape of the seed as well as color of the seed, both are considered. See, round yellow and wrinkled seed. See, round and wrinkled. Okay, this is the shape of the seed, and yellow and green, this is the color of the seed. So both the characters are considered. Okay, so such kind of cross where there are going to be involvement of two pair of contrasting characters are known as dihybrid cross. Am I right kids? See, then you're going to understand what is F1 generation, what is the result in F2 generation now. So it's very simple, listen to me very carefully. See, this is the parental organism, right? So this is the plant. Okay, so now see, this is round yellow and you are going to cross this with the plant which is going to produce the wrinkled green seeds. Now after crossing the result, see, this is the F1 generation, the offspring which are produced, okay, after crossing the parental trait are known as F1 generation. In F1 generation, all the offsprings are found to be what? Round yellow. See, you'll be understanding why this is round yellow. Now I am just giving a quick recap of just the phenotype, the external appearance. Now I will be explaining, okay, what is the genotype, why you are getting all the plants to be round yellow. So if it is, okay, so if this kind of result you are getting, what does this indicate? So round, okay, this round shape is dominant over this wrinkled shape, and yellow color is dominant over this green color. So this is the important result which you are going to conclude here. Okay, so that is the important result, right? Because, okay, whatever the character which is seen in the F1 generation is dominant, right? So here the round shape and yellow color is dominant over the wrinkled shape and green color. Because of that reason only, all the offspring, right, so they are going to have this character, that is round yellow, in the F1 generation. Now what is F2 generation? F2 generation, okay, so this you will be getting after self-pollinating the plants of F1 generation, right? So self-pollinating the plants of F1 generation will be producing the F2 generation, the offspring which are produced as a result of crossing the what? F1 plants, right kids? See, listen to me very carefully. Now you have to take, okay, two plants from here, okay, so and you have to self-pollinate them. After self-pollinating, what is the result we got? So here's something surprising. See, you are getting round yellow and wrinkled green. Apart from that, you are getting two new combination also. See, this is something known as recombinants, right? So this is the new combination. See, wrinkled yellow and round green, right? So this is the F2 generation offspring, right? See, when you are taking this round yellow and wrinkled green, okay, this is your parental generation. After crossing that, all the offspring in F1 generation was found to be round yellow. In F2 generation, you have to self-pollinate this F1 plants, right? So after self-pollinating this F1 generation round yellow plants, right? So what you are getting? So you are getting this surprising result, that is you are getting round yellow as well as wrinkled yellow and round green and wrinkled green seeds. Okay, so now we'll be understanding how we are getting this. So you'll be understanding the genotype. You have been going through this phenotype. Okay, so this quick recovery, right, so of this phenotype will be helping you to understand this genotype. Now understand. Okay, now we'll be understanding this genotype. Now see, listen to me very carefully. See, now, so it is going to produce, okay, we have studied that during gamete formation allele will be separating and only one allele, okay, among the pair will be reaching the gamete. So if you see, okay, so what are the probabilities, okay, for the gametes I have given here? See, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. So this is the homozygous round yellow and this is homozygous wrinkled green, right? Now, so when we were crossing, what is the result? We have to understand that, right? So for that you need to know the gametes which are produced by this parental plants, right? See, these are the two types of gametes, okay? So still they have same type of allele, right? So how to find the genotype? I told you have to draw the Punnett square, right? So just draw the Punnett square, it's very simple, right? So these are the two types of gametes which are released by this wrinkled green seed, right? And you can see, okay, they are same type. Okay, so now when you cross them, when these two gametes combine, you are going to get this type of plant, right? So which is going to have this genotype of capital R small r, capital Y small y. And similarly, when these two gametes fuse, okay, at that time also you are going to get the same result. Similarly, when these two gametes, okay, when they combine, so you are going to get the same result, right? Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So what will be the phenotype? This is the genotype. What will be the phenotype? I told you that in case of heterozygous condition, only one character, the dominant character will be expressed. So of this, okay, so the round, okay, is the character which is going to be expressed, okay. And so because round, okay, round shape is dominant over the wrinkled shape. Similarly, of this two, we can see the yellow color is going to be expressed, right kids? So because of this reason only, all the plants, okay, was found to be round yellow in F1 generation, right? So you're going to take this parental plant, okay, and you are going to know this genotype, okay. After that, you are finding what are the gametes that can be produced, right? So after finding the gametes, you are finding the genotype of all the offspring which are produced in the F1 generation. You can also draw this in Punnett square. That is very simple, okay. See, instead of drawing this kind of lines which will confuse you, okay, what you can do is you can draw the Punnett square. See how to draw the Punnett square. You have to first write the gametes. See, one or two types of gametes here. So this capital R, small y, capital R, small y is the gamete which is produced from this first plant. Similarly, small r, small y, small r, small y. This is the gametes which is produced by this second plant. Okay, when these gametes are combining, okay, so what is the result? That you can easily write now. So listen to me very carefully, kids. Okay, see now. So what will be the genotype of this first fusion? See, when these two gametes are fusing, so you'll be getting this result, right? Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Similarly, when these two gametes fuse, so here also you're going to get the same result, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So here also same result, and here also you're going to get the same result. Because of this reason only, all the plants was found to be round yellow in case of F1 generation. Now, so now you are going to understand what is the result in F2 generation. See, in F2 generation, you are going to get something different, right? So what is that? You'll be understanding. See, listen to me very carefully. I told you that, okay, what is F2 generation? F2 generation is nothing but, okay, the offspring which is produced as a result of self-pollinating the F1 offspring. So now take one of the F1 offspring kids. What is that? Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. And you have to take one more F1 plant, right? That is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So this is a heterozygous round yellow plant, right? So it is going to produce that round yellow seeds. Now see, what are the types of gametes? I told you that during gamete segregation, right? Sorry, during the gamete formation, what is going to happen? These alleles are going to segregate, right? So in such a way that only one allele is going to reach, okay, that gamete. Now, out of this, what is going to happen? Okay. So now, what are the possibilities for the gametes that can be released from here? Okay, listen to me very carefully, kids. Okay, so R, capital R and small y. So this may be one combination. Similarly, capital R, capital Y, this may be one combination. Similarly, small r, small y and small r, capital Y. So these are the four types of gamete that can be released from this first plant, okay, which we have taken from the F1 generation. Now similarly, from here also you can get four types of gametes, okay. So now capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. So these are the four types of gamete that is released by this second plant, okay, which we have taken from the F1 generation. Now, so when these two gametes combine, what is the result? Okay, what will be the result, right? Similarly, you have to combine, okay, so you have to check the check the result, okay, after fertilization, right? Listen to me very carefully. Now when these two gametes combine, what is the result? Capital R, capital Y, small y. Now what will be the result? What will be the phenotype? So what will be the phenotype? It will be round, okay, it is going to be round. And whether it will be yellow or green, see, capital Y, small y. Since it is homozygous, it is going to be round only. So see here, so it is heterozygous. Which character is dominant? That one will be expressed. See, capital Y, small y. So which is dominant, kids? So which is dominant? It is yellow, right? It's going to be yellow. Now you have to check the result for every fusion. Now when these two gametes are combining, you are getting this. Similarly, when this gamete and this gamete is combining, what is the result? Okay, what will be the result? Capital R, small y, small y. See, now it is homozygous. Okay, what will be the result? It is going to be round. And for small y, what will be the result? It is going to be green, right? So like this only, you are going to find the result for every fusion. Okay, So that is what I have summarized in this table, right? So you are getting 9 different types of genotype. It's very simple. Okay, see kids, okay, this is a Punnett square. It is very easy, okay, to know the genotype and phenotypes of the offspring which is produced as a result of a cross. See, I have written all the gametes here, okay, male gametes and female gametes are, okay, that has been written in one side of this box, okay, then you can, I have summarized everything in this Punnett square, kids. It's very simple to understand the genotype and phenotype of the offspring that, okay, so that is produced, okay, as a result of this F2 generation. See, I have written the male gametes and female gametes for you, and so in every box you can find the genotype and phenotype of the offspring that has been produced. See, capital R, capital A. So when this gamete combined with this gamete, what will be the result of this offspring? What is the phenotype? What is the genotype? Everything I have given. Similarly, when this gamete and this gamete combine, what is the result? Similarly, when these two gametes combine, what will be the result? When these two gametes combine, what will be the result? For every, okay, fusion, I have written the genotype and phenotype. So this is just for a quick recap. Okay, this Punnett square help you a lot, okay, to avoid the confusion. Okay, so you can easily get all the thing in one box, right kids? Now you can find 9 different types of genotype. Okay, so and you have to say me, okay, what is the genotypic ratio? See, in the comment section, see, I have written what are those 9 types of genotype here. Okay, so I have written here, you have to say me what is the genotypic ratio for this dihybrid cross in the comment section, right? Then you can see out of this 16 part, okay, so round yellow, okay, is how much? Is going to be 9. Then wrinkled yellow is 3, wrinkled green is 3, wrinkled green is 1. So what is the phenotypic ratio? That means external appearance, okay, the external result, okay, that is going to be 9:3:3:1. You have to let me know the genotypic ratio in the comment section, kids. Okay, so that will be a homework for you. If you have any doubt regarding this, if you want this handwritten notes, okay, you can get through the Telegram channel, and for your doubts clarification you can contact me through the WhatsApp group. Okay, if you want any personal tuition or special coaching classes, you can contact me through the email ID and you can enroll over there, right kids? We'll meet you there in the next class where we'll be discussing about the next concept. Until then, bye bye kids.